In today's fast-paced world, taking care of our health is more important than ever. With the constant hustle and bustle, it's easy to neglect our well-being. Pollution, pesticides, and daily stress can take a significant toll on our bodies, leading to various health issues over time. That's why it's crucial to make informed choices about what we eat. Opting for fresh, organic produce and reading food labels can make a big difference. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to our well-being. Educating ourselves about nutrition and health can empower us to make better decisions. In this essay, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of sweet potatoes. Backed by scientific evidence, these versatile root vegetables are more than just a tasty side dish. These vibrant root vegetables are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly improve your health. From vitamins to antioxidants, sweet potatoes have it all. Join me as we delve into the world of sweet potatoes and discover how they can be a valuable addition to your diet. We'll look at their nutritional profile and how they can benefit your overall health. Get ready to be amazed by the power of this humble superfood. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to improve your diet, sweet potatoes have something to offer everyone. Your body will thank you for it. Embrace the journey to better health, one sweet potato at a time. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that your body craves. These vibrant tubers are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile, making them a staple in many kitchens around the world. One serving provides a significant amount of your daily vitamin A requirement, which is essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of your eyes, ensuring you have sharp vision and can see clearly in low-light conditions. They are also an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. This vitamin is vital for the growth and repair of tissues in your body, helping to heal wounds and maintain healthy bones and teeth. Don't forget about the rich mineral content. Sweet potatoes are packed with essential minerals that support various bodily functions. Sweet potatoes offer potassium for blood pressure regulation, manganese for energy production, and copper for iron absorption. Potassium helps to balance fluids in your body, ensuring your muscles and nerves function properly. Manganese plays a role in bone formation and nutrient metabolism, while copper aids in the formation of red blood cells and maintaining healthy bones, blood vessels, and nerves. And let's not forget about fiber, a crucial nutrient for digestive health. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Sweet potatoes are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and a healthy gut. Soluble fiber helps to lower cholesterol and control blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, aiding in its passage through the digestive tract. If you're looking to support your heart health, look no further than the sweet potato. These vibrant tubers are naturally low in sodium and saturated fat, making them a heart-healthy choice. The potassium content in sweet potatoes helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Furthermore, the fiber in sweet potatoes can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Making simple swaps in your diet, like choosing sweet potato fries over regular fries, can make a big difference in the long run. Your heart will thank you. Section 4. Boosting your body's defenses. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness. Sweet potatoes can give your immune system a powerful boost thanks to their rich antioxidant content. Vitamin C, found in abundance in sweet potatoes, helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Additionally, the beta-carotene in sweet potatoes is converted to vitamin A in the body, further supporting immune function. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can help strengthen your body's natural defenses and keep you feeling your best. Eat your way to a healthier immune system. Section 5. The Sweet Potato Advantage Conclusion. In conclusion, the humble sweet potato is a true superfood, offering a wide array of health benefits. This versatile root vegetable is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly improve your overall well-being. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health, sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for maintaining a strong immune system and good vision. Additionally, sweet potatoes are high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Including them in your diet can promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Their rich nutritional profile, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, makes them a valuable addition to any diet. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Whether you enjoy them baked, mashed, roasted, or even as fries, there are countless delicious ways to incorporate sweet potatoes into your meals. You can get creative with recipes, from sweet potato casseroles to soups and stews. Sweet potatoes can be a delightful addition to both savory and sweet dishes, making them incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Their natural sweetness pairs well with a variety of flavors and spices. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. It's always best to get personalized advice to ensure that sweet potatoes fit well into your individual health plan. Embrace the power of the sweet potato and experience the amazing health benefits for yourself. By making sweet potatoes a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while reaping the numerous health advantages they offer. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to support this channel. See you in the next video.